This is what I call camping.
No, go ahead. Where are we going camping? Jordan Lake? All right. Getting loaded up. Daddy's birthday. Woo woo. We made it. Our favorite campsite, Jordan Lake. So,
Here's a glass bottle.
all right, throw it in. There's been a lot of rain in the Raleigh area lately, so looks like our favorite campsite here was flooded, and they haven't really done any cleanup on it yet. So Elijah and I are walking around.
Hey, it looks like it has a big rainstorm, but that's not some logs we can hop on.
Yeah. So Elijah and I are trying to pick up trash around the campsite since everything was full. Look, here's a shoe. Oh my goodness.
There's a lighter.
All right. All right, put it in. Yep, thank you.
You're welcome. That is so much trash around here.
Yeah.
I cannot know how much trash.
It's not really what you anticipate doing on your birthday, but this is like one of our favorite campsites. So I don't want to be looking around at trash everywhere. Normally at this campsite, you would be able to climb down here and there would be land down here you could stand on. So with all the rain we've gotten, this is definitely pretty high water level for Jordan Lake. You know your shirt matches the tent? Isn't that crazy?
On a really powerful rainy day, there was a flash flood warning, and I think it got this up all the way to here, and it flooded flash all over this place. And it's like it was really powerful that it could carry 2 pieces of bulk instead of weed to make bulky boats. 2 pieces. 2 big pieces. That's it.
You are wearing socks, so maybe you don't want to get your socks all soaked. You go first. Oh, nice one. Check, here I go. Ah, I got it. Oh, you got it in. Oh, over the top, Dad. Woo.
Okay, so you play again?
Yeah. All right, we just got to Jordan Lake today. This is my second full bag of trash just from in and around the campsite. Like just debris that nobody else has picked up. So a little bit frustrating, but we'd rather not look at trash while we're camping. I'm coming. I don't think Daddy will fit on there with all of you guys. Ah, you guys are being silly.
This is what I call camping.
Hey Luke, do you like camping?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, yeah. No, yeah.
No, yeah. That's confusing. What if it's camping for Daddy's birthday?
No, yeah. No, yeah. No means yeah. Yeah means no.
Okay. That clears it up.
No, okay? On the ground.
Good morning. I'm officially 40 years old now because I had my birthday cake last night. So Elijah says that you're not your new age until you've eaten your cake. So got the cake, 40 years old plus one, off to a good start. It's nice and cool this morning, making a fire. It's a beautiful day to be camping. Are you really camping if you're not cooking bacon on a cast iron pan? All right, what do you got there?
A small.
Some more using fudge stripe cookies.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yes, I love it.
All right, go ahead, test it. It is a bit cold. Yeah, it's not bad.
You gotta give it a good throw.
Oh, yellow.
Stay here, man.
Oh, that was bad. Even with all the trash and debris, Jordan Lake is still one of our favorite places to camp. We just always have a good time here.
This was our first experience camping with other people that we know, and it was a lot of fun. I would highly recommend a group camping trip. I think we got really lucky when it came to the weather for this trip. We weren't really sure what to expect. This was our first camping trip in the middle of the summer. It was beautiful.
Everybody say marshmallows, marshmallows.
Action. Yeah, so just tell us how camping was. Did you like camping?
Don't be shy.
Do it. No.
Ah, no, we lost him.